Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Meda's Magic, and also everybody who are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Today's topic is very interesting and it's going to be very wonderful. So today's topic is karma. Everybody are very familiar with this word. Everybody knows this word very. They heard this word very frequently, and also our grandparents, our ancestors use this word many times, karma. And you know the meaning of karma, which means that whatever you do is related to the future, and also if it is good or bad, it will come to you again. And also the main thing is karma is a very kind of great topic that I have chosen now to tell you about it. Nothing more out of the box, but karma is something which makes people scary, but also at the same time makes them very responsible about their future. Everybody in this world does good things and bad things, but the concept of karma says that whatever you do, it may be good or bad, it will be coming back to you, and it will be bouncing back to you with an extra flavor of energy, if it is maybe good or bad. But to see this world very peacefully and to bring a great flavor of harmony in this world, we need to have some basic things which is very important to have a very peaceful and very calm, very pleasant world. So the concept karma helps us to make this world very pleasant. So let me explain how this karma is related to the future of our world, and how this karma makes our lives very pleasant, peaceful and happy. So karma is a basic thing, and it is very important in our lives. Many Indians are very fond of this word karma. It is a kind of, you have some responsibility on your shoulders that I should do good to this society. Somewhat I should make an effort to change the world into very good place that presently we have. But world is not at all good right now. My personal opinion is not at all good. It should be very good than this. Some of you may think that this world is good enough, but in my personal opinion, it is not. It is not at all. So the concept karma makes us very responsible, and also if you take it to your heart and brain, it will be definitely making you a very responsible person in not only your nation but also the world. Born in the world, or you are an creature on the world, you should just have to do something to the world, because you belong to the world, you belong to the society, you belong to the entire nation or entire environment that is around you. So you have to do something to change the world, right? So making an effort of yours is a very good thing which everybody appreciates, but making a change in the world may takes a lot of time. But you should be very patient, and also you should encourage the people that doing good things will definitely giving back with an extra flavor, and also doing good things makes your future very brilliantly bright. So the concept karma teaches us a lot, and also it makes us responsible towards our society, and also it makes us feel very careful about the things that we do in our daily lives. So doing good things is great, doing bad things is great, but also it is a damage. It is the, kind of shattering the world, and also making this world a place of bad things. So making bad things is not at all right. So the karma will come back to you, and whatever you do, it may be good or bad, it will be bouncing back towards you with a very, very extra flavor. So, whatever you do in your life should be very good. Whatever you shouldn't do in your life should be not done by you. So, for me, the world should be very clean, pure, and also this world should be pleasant place to live in this world. So the main thing that I want to tell you is, do good things, tell good things, and also make everyone feel very happy about what they do, and also inspire people to do good things, and also never ever appreciate bad things around the world. Any Everybody do mistakes, everybody do bad things in life, but something, you will be knowing some hint your mind will be giving you when you're doing bad things. So whenever you get that hint from your mind that you're doing a bad thing, you should shut down it immediately and listen to your mind and make good things happen in this world, and also make everyone happy, make yourself happy, search your happiness and create happiness around the world. That is what I ultimately want to say you. And thank you for listening me this long time. Thank you very much. Like, share and subscribe.